blue two-story building. Two-story building. We're gonna go up to the bus. You read me? Can you hear me? Oh, let's go to the bus. Get in the bus. This is red to COA. We're inside the bus. This is a more interesting school bus. Out with our team. Yeah.
We're trying, so you guys know, we're trying to capture flags in Peach Orchard. We're trying to defend our flags in Millers.
Alright, where's Miller? Is it, so wait, can we see that? So Miller's is just that way?
Yeah, I believe so, and it doesn't put Peach
Because
up
this is where we are.
This is headquarters, so we're like right in this area.
Yeah,
right
we're in
now.
this just because of the dirt now.
So Millers, and then Peach is that way.
Okay, thank you, Father. And capturing Peach. I'm gonna capture you. Yeah. Yeah. We just gotta take it to the base.
Yeah, take it.
He's out. You got him. So Henry, move. Get out. Get out of here. Yeah. I hit him. Still on the other side of this boat. Bro, I shot him, but he didn't come. He is in front of me. Shoot him. Shoot him. You see him too. I have 100 foot. You got it? Good. Good, that's another enemy. Good. No. Did I get him? Yeah, probably. Yeah, their enemies over there. Hey dude, their enemies at this blue thingy.
Lego.
They should be able to. Yeah, do you see him shoot? I wish we could get in the boat. Hey, Henry and I are at the port. We're behind a blue and white boat called the Avanti V. Yeah. I got him. I believe so. Alright, he's dead. Yeah, I got him. Just cranked up the shutter. Whoa! Good. Okay. walking through the Chinook because you don't have to. I believe we have friendlies in Legoland. At least it's our facility. But it could have been Confederates just letting go of their facility.
You didn't have to do that. I was gonna make him do it.
You can put it back down. Go on, put it back down.
Hey, John, I got my radio.
Clear. This should be clear anyway, just because of how far back we are. But we need to look cool up here. So. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, we're clear, of course. I knew we were clear. Keep in mind, dark. I got that on video. Did I? Oh. Recording? Yes! I hit it. We're in the two-story building. Have contact in the Chinook on the left. And you should hear that, right? Keep your head down. No, we're good. I'm reloading. Literally. Yeah, he's from the Chinook area. Dude, the bottom of the Chinook, bottom of the Chinook.
Go, backside Chinook!
Try to shoot him with what? I have range, but not me.
Need the yellow man. Oh, that's our team in the Chinook? Alright, go. On me. Yo, 2 people pushing left side!
Had to help.
Right, left side. Got him! Boom. Yo, they're pushing hard from Lego!
Whoa! Holy crap, that's a lot of them.
Yo, radio in.
Yo! We need help! In the Chinook! We need help, two-story building at the left Chinook,
Somebody's like 10.
Anyone? Good, right there.
They're pushing left!
One way to the Chinook. are under heavy contact on the airfield and two-story building. Get over here now. Tell me here, because we're under fire. We aren't leaving until we die. I'm out. Reloading. I'm shooting at some guy and hitting him. He's not calling it.
When Johnny comes marching home again, hurrah, hurrah, we'll give him a hearty welcome then, hurrah, hurrah. Oh, the men will cheer, the boys will shout, the ladies they will all turn out and we'll all feel gay when Johnny comes marching home. And we'll all feel gay when Johnny comes marching home.